Liam Out Loud. Liam Out Loud. Life is super awesome on Liam Out Loud.
RMC is my absolute favorite roller coaster manufacturer. Here's some info about them.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and click that notification bell.
RMC started out Fred Grubb's garage in Athol, Idaho, and RMC began with about 10 employees who repaired traditional wooden coaster track. For several more years, RMC designed and built several water parks, erected other manufacturers' coasters, and erected steel buildings. After years of rebuilding traditional wood tracks, Fred knew that there had to be a better track system that would not require repair/maintenance. After speaking with renowned coaster engineer Alan Schilke, in 2008, the iBox track was born. Six Flags gave RMC their first big break, contracting RMC to overhaul an existing wooden coaster, the Texas Giant. With very little marketing and no sales force, RMC now has 115 full-time employees and 5 manufacturing facilities, totaling more than 75,000 square feet.
It's now time to ride Iron Gwazi. It's North America's tallest, the world's fastest, and steepest hybrid coaster. So, this is Iron Gwazi, going down the 91-degree drop. Reaching speeds of up to 76 miles an hour, you fly up into an outward bank top hat similar to Steel Vengeance, curving up into the barrel roll down drop, similar to the one on Medusa Steel Coaster, flying into an overbank, twisting up into a wave turn, up into a smaller little wave turn, up into a 0G stall, out, up into a little tiny hill, flying into another tiny hill, that's a lot of tiny hills, and then you fly up into a hill, which leads to the station and the brake run. Now, I'll stop talking because let's just sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride on Iron Gwazi.
Started in the garage by a hard-working, high school educated man from Wyoming to becoming a leader in the coaster industry. RMC personifies the true American dream story while continuing to thrill riders all around the world while still keeping its good old American values.
Please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell. It's absolutely free and only takes a second. Come back and visit. My next video is gonna be super awesome.